Hello everyone! Today we are excited to introduce the new Unlock Your Hip Flexors VSL with Therapy Tool, the ultimate solution to loosen up tight hip flexors and improve your overall mobility. What's in the box? The VSL is a state-of-the-art therapy tool designed to target and release tight hip flexors, helping you achieve the perfect balance of comfort and relief. This innovative tool features a unique V-shaped head that provides targeted pressure to help stimulate muscle recovery and improve flexibility. But wait, there's more! The VSL with Therapy Tool comes with a soft, ergonomic handle that ensures a comfortable grip during use. Plus, it's lightweight and compact, so it's easy to carry around and use whenever you need a little extra relaxation. Why choose the Unlock Your Hip Flexors VSL with Therapy Tool? Here are just a few reasons. 1. Targeted release. The VSL head gently presses on the hip flexor muscles, providing the perfect amount of stimulation to release tension. 2. Comfortable grip. The ergonomic handle is designed with your comfort in mind, ensuring a safe and pleasant massage experience. 3. Lightweight and portable. Do you travel or work from home? VSL with Therapy Tool is easy to pack and use anytime. 4. Improves flexibility. Regular use of VSL can help stimulate muscle recovery and improve your flexibility, leaving you feeling great both physically and mentally. 5. Versatility. Whether you are a professional therapist or just looking for a convenient solution for home use, the VSL with Therapy Tool is ideal for everyone. Don't miss your chance to experience the benefits of the new Unlock Your Hip Flexors VSL with Therapy Tool. Order yours today and start feeling the difference for yourself.